Hi, this is Tom Eddins, licensed acupuncturist, Tuina, and qigong practitioner, doing the Ba Duan Jin, the 8 silken movements. Number 7. This one is extending the arm with an intense gaze. So for this one, we again take a low posture, and if you're not comfortable working at this level, you can always work at a medium height, medium depth. But coming down here, we bring the hands to waist height, to about the hips here, and then I'm going to extend one into the distance. Use my waist to turn, sweeping to one side and then the other, and pulling in. Extend the other arm. Sweep left, sweep right, pull it in. I should say sweep to the outside, sweep across, pull it in. So keeping the hips straight forward, turning from the waist. Moving the arms out. Extending the gaze to the distant horizon. Gazing fiercely or intensely. Imagine I could scan the horizon as if my eyes were lasers. Sweeping one side then the other. Consolidate as you pull in. Expand out. Very directed, pointed kind of way. I'll typically breathe in as I extend out and exhale as I come in. So repeat 9 times or 18 times if you're doing it singly. And that's it. Number 7. Extending the arms, gazing fiercely.